Good morning, children. Welcome back to online class. This is Max class. Today, let's revise the topic International Place Value System. Children, in the International Place Value System, the periods are ones, thousands, and millions. Here, three digits are placed in each period. The place values are ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions, 10 millions, 100 billions. Children, let's do some examples. Example 1. Write the answer for the given number 38,197,000. Children, mark the periods with commas and write the number names in International Place Value System. Then write the expanded form of the given number, find the place value of 8, find the periods of 8, then find the face value of 8. Children, first draw the place value chart. Write the periods and place value. The periods are ones, thousand and millions. And the place values are ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million and 100 millions. Children, now write the given number in the place value chart from right side. Write 7 in ones place. Then write 9 in tens place. Then write 1 in hundreds place. Then write 0 in thousand place. Then again write 0 in 10,000 place. Write 0 in 100,000 place. Then write 8 in million and 3 in 10 million. Now we get the number 38,197,000. Let's write the number with commas. 38, 000, 197. That is 38,197,000. Children, now write the number in words. Write 38 million 197. Then write the expanded form for the given number. Children, what is expanded form? The expanded form of a number is the sum of place values of all the digits. Let's write the expanded form of 38,197,000 is equal to, here 3 in 10 million, so write 3 10 million plus 8 in million, so write plus 8 million plus 100 plus 9 tens plus 7 ones, which equals 30 million. Write 3 followed 7 zeros plus 8 million. Write 8 followed 6 zeros plus 100 plus 90 plus 7. Now we get the expanded form is equal to 30 million plus 8 million plus 100 plus 90 plus 7. Children, then find the place value of 8. Look at the table. Here 8 in million place. So the place value of 8 is 8 million, which equals write 8 followed 6 zeros, that is 8 million. Then find the periods of 8. Here 8 in million, the period is million. So the periods of 8 is million. Then the face value of 8 is 8. Example 2. Write the answer for the given number name 2,012,611. Mark the periods with commas and write the number. Then write the expanded form of the given number name. Children, first draw the place value chart, write the periods and places. In the International Place Value System, the periods are ones, thousands and millions. The place values are ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million and 100 millions. Children, take your pencil. Circle the period in the given number name. Here 2 million. Million is the period, so circle it. 12,000. Here 1000 is the period, so circle it. Then 611 is the ones period, read it together. Now underline the word 2. Write 2 in figure. Then underline the word 12. Write 12 in figures, that is 1, 2. Then underline the word 611. Write in figures, that is 611. Let's write the number in the place value chart from right side. Write 1 in ones place, then write 1 in tens place, write 6 in hundreds place, then write 2 in thousand place, then write 1 in 10,000 place, then write 2 in million place. In 100,000 place, write 0. Now we get 2,012,611. Let's write the number with commas. 2, 0, 1, 2, 611. That is 2,012,611. Then write the expanded form of the given number. Expanded form of 2,012,611 is equal to 2 in million place. So write 2 millions plus 1 10,000 plus 2 thousands plus 6 hundreds plus 1 tens plus 1 ones, which equals 2 millions. Write 2 followed 6 zeros plus 10,000 plus 2,000 plus 600 plus 10 plus 1. Now we get the expanded form of 2,012,611 is equal to 2 million plus 10,000 plus 2,000 plus 600 plus 10 plus 1. Students, hope you have understood the topic. Do the given worksheet. Thank you, students.